Power-aware test pattern generator technique for scan-based circuits using transmission gates. Abstract. The primary aim is to reduce power consumption and minimize test time. Power consumption presents a significant challenge for portable devices, which require extended operation and minimal charging intervals. Document. This abstract includes an overview of the project, highlighting the keywords, existing methods, and their drawbacks. It explains the proposed method in detail, including a step-by-step implementation block diagram. The advantages and applications of the proposed method are discussed, along with the software and hardware requirements. PPT. In PPT, we can provide abstract introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references. Results. Launch analog design environment. Begin by opening the extracted view of your circuit in the virtual layout editing window. Navigate to launch = analog environment to open the virtual analog circuit design environment window. Alternatively, you can launch ADEL from the command interpreter window by selecting tools = analog environment = simulation, specify library and cell. Upon launching ADEL, click on setup = design to specify the library and cell you wish to simulate, for example, tutorial and inventory. Setting up the analog simulator, choose simulator. In the Virtuoso analog design environment, go to setup = simulator directory host. Select Spectre as the simulator, define simulation files path, enter a path for your simulation files and results. It's recommended to keep all simulations in one directory for organization. If no specific path is provided, the simulation files and results will be saved under the directory from which Cadence was launched. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030333433.